Alright, so we're going to start off in the idle shell this time to show how to evaluate simple math expressions with Python. And the reason we're going to do this in the idle shell and not in a script is because if we were to type the string hello into the idle shell, it would automatically output the value here, so just the string again. But if we were to do this in a script without using the print, and we just tried to type hello in a script, it wouldn't output anything. So we actually have to use a print function. You have to actually use a print function in a script. So that's just the reason I'm going to show you this in the idle shell. So doing math expressions in Python is actually pretty straightforward. So it's pretty much the same as you would do normally. So if we just had 3, if we wanted to add something to this number 3, so you do 3 plus 3, and the output would be 6. And you don't actually need the spaces here, you can just do 3 plus 3 like that if you wanted to, and it outputs 6. If we wanted to do subtraction, we could do 3 minus 2, and it would output 1. And for multiplication, this is actually a little bit different because the standard signs for multiplication, like an X or a dot, don't work in Python and also can't be easily typed with the standard keyboard anyway. So instead, we use what is normally used as an asterisk, this, for multiplications. And in most coding languages, this is actually the sign for multiplication. So if we wanted to do multiplication, we can do 3 times 2. This would output 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. And for division, you use a slash. So 6 divided by 2, and this gives you 3. And of course, you can use any number you want for these calculations. So we could do like 76 times 45, and it would still work. So there are actually a few operators left. So the first one is exponents. So if we wanted to do 3 to the power of 2, we would actually use 2 multiplication signs next to each other. So 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So we can also do something called integer division. So the purpose for this is if you, for example, did 10 divided by 3, this would give you 3.33333, and this would go on. But if we only wanted the 3, so how many groups you can make from this, then the way we would do it is 10 integer divide 3, so just 2 division signs next to each other, and this will just give you 3. And the last one we're going to cover is modulo, which is used to calculate the remainder, and its operator is the percent sign, but it's used for modulo in Python. So if we took our previous example of 10 divided by 3, if we instead did it with modulo, so 10 modulo 3, this would output 1, because if you did 10 divided by 3 in a long division type way, you'd get 3 groups with 1 as the remainder. So speaking of which, if you wanted to do long division, you could do 10 integer divide 3 to get the number of groups, and then 10 modulo 3 to get the remainder. And this will work for any number. So that was all the basics about math expressions in Python.